Lots of tulips can be grown indoors. They make really nice house plants. Make sure you've got a deep pot, around about 30 centimetres, 12 inches deep. Once you've planted them, rather than starting to try and get them to grow straight away, you need to get the roots growing first. So the best thing you can do is, if you've got a cool, darkish room, put them in there, keep checking them for water every 10 days, something like that, and the roots will form. And then once you start to see that little, and it's usually, because they're in the dark, it's usually a creamy colour, you start to get the nose of the bulb poke through the compost. When you get to that stage, take them into a room where it's light and a bit warmer. Not too warm, otherwise they tend to shoot up, the stems are weak and they just keel over. But take them into somewhere where there's more light and a little bit more warmth. You'll find the first thing that happens is that little white, creamy white shoot will turn green. Then the extension starts, where you get the leaves coming up, and finally the flower stem and the flower head, the tulip on the top. But the main thing is water regularly, but not too often. And also make sure that you don't put them somewhere too warm. As I said earlier, what happens is they grow like mad and then they just keel over because there's no strength in them. We hope you found this video useful. Please remember to press the like button, share the content with your friends, and subscribe to get more gardening videos.